Are you looking for the ultimate ring flash for macro photography in 2024? Join me as I dive deep into the top contenders, from the reliable Nissin MF18 to the versatile Godox MF-R76. We'll compare features, performance, and price to help you make the best choice for your macro adventures. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Nissin MF18 Macro Flash. This flash stands out with its clever head design, expanding by 14mm to fit lens diameters up to 82mm without vignetting, though the included 6 mounting plates max out at 77mm. It features a fine macro mode, allowing precise control of the left and right flash tubes, adjustable from 1x128 to 1x10 to the 24th power in 1x6 EV steps, compared to 1x3 EV steps at higher powers. Its guide number of 16 provides ample power for both macro and portrait photography. The color LCD and intuitive interface make switching modes easy, while wireless TTL master-slave options, high-speed sync, and rear curtain sync add versatility. The MF18 delivers soft, flattering light with fast recycle times. Though the control unit is somewhat bulky and the color temperature slightly warm, it remains excellent value for money. Number 2. Godox MF-R76. Released in 2023, this updated Godox ring flash offers TTL functionality tailored for the latest Sony, Canon, and Nikon DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. It comes with 8 adapters: 49, 52, 55, 58, 62, 63, 67, 72, and 77mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of lenses. The dual flash tubes allow adjustable lighting ratios, giving photographers greater creative control, while the built-in modeling lights assist with autofocus. A standout feature is the removable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, making it convenient for on-the-go shooting without worrying about disposable batteries. This versatile ring flash is a solid choice for both macro and portrait photography, offering precise lighting control, easy lens compatibility, and modern functionality for demanding shooters. Number 3. Canon Macro Twin Lite MT-26EX-RT. This is a compact, high-performance macro flash featuring ETTL, Mark II metering, LED focusing lamps, and twin flash tubes with independent power adjustment, allowing up to a 6-stop output offset. With a guide number of 26 and a 5.5-second recycle time, it's ideal for close-up work. Build quality is excellent, and the large, clear display ensures easy operation. Light output is soft, with accurate color rendition and reliable TTL metering. Canon improved the control panel from the MT-26EX, adopting a layout similar to the 600EX2RT with intuitive switches, dials, and a backlit LCD. The flash connects via coiled cables to 2 small heads, though it only fits Canon macro lenses with 58mm threads or larger L-series lenses using adapters. Perfect for dedicated macro photographers seeking precision and ease of use. Number 4. Nikon R1 Close-Up Speedlight Remote Kit. Instead of a one-piece ring flash, the Nikon SBR200 kit features 2 individual flash guns that attach to a mount, compatible with lens adapters ranging from 52mm to 77mm. This modular design allows for precise positioning of each flash to achieve the perfect angle, with the option to add more units for enhanced versatility. Included colored gels and clip-on diffusers help soften light for extreme close-ups. However, setup can be slow due to the many components, and the SBR200s require relatively pricey CR123 batteries. The light quality can be harsh without diffusers, although the color rendering is excellent. Ensure your Nikon's pop-up flash has a commander mode to trigger the SBR200s. Otherwise, consider Nikon's more expensive R1 C1 kit, which includes the SU800 commander unit. So, which is the best ring flash for macro photography in 2024? After careful testing and evaluation, I've found that the Nissin MF18 macro flash consistently delivers exceptional results. Its versatility, power, and affordability make it the top choice for macro enthusiasts.